Hi, in my last video, we saw that how to know item created date and modified date. In this video, we will see that how many items created after or before a specific date. Suppose how many items created after 29th January 2025 or before 29th January 2025. First create a variable date reference equal to date time. First put year 2025, month 1 and day 29. tz info equal to timezone.utc. If date reference greater than item created, then print item title, type and created date. Now run. Got a error. This error means condition does not support date time and str. So here item created variable we declare as a string .str_time. This formats the datetime object in a human readable string: day, month, year, hour, minute and second. So remove item.created variable and put this and run. We can see that all the items title created date before 29th January 2025. Here we see that one item created on 27th January. So if I want to see how many items created before 26th January, then we will not able to see this item. So this is the output. Here we cannot see this item. Now, if I want to see this item, I mean how many items are created after 26th January, then we will see that item. So change the condition and run. Here we can see that one item is created after 26th January. Hope you got it. Thanks for watching and keep supporting.